My name is Mackenzie Strofe, and today I will teach you a CountFast strategy when you are multiplying by 5. Kids, you're going to like this. You may think that this is a trick. The very first card in the deck is the Math Focus card, which talks to you about the purpose of this deck. And the purpose is to help build some brain muscle and help you get more fluent with multiplying by 5. Many of these problems look very difficult, but once you know the strategy or the trick, then it's much easier. The second card is the instruction card, which tells you different ways that you could play this deck. So the way that the strategy of CountFast 5 works is you will take a number, like 12 times 5, and instead of a 5, picture this as a 10. So you're taking 12 times 10, which is 120. Sometimes when people are multiplying by 10, they simply know just to add the 0 at the end here. So now we have 120. And because 5 is half of 10, we now have to divide 120 by 2. So 120 by 2 is 60. Let me show you another way. I know right away that 14 times 10 is 140, and when I divide 140 by 2, I have 70. These two decks are using even numbers, so they're a little bit easier, whereas our next two decks are using odd numbers, which are a little bit more challenging. So I have 15, and I'm going to pretend like this is a 10. So 15 times 10 is 150. When I divide 150 by 2, I have 75. Our gold deck is a mixture of odd numbers and even numbers, so it's a little bit challenging and makes students think just a little bit harder. But like I said, this is a great deck to help build that brain muscle that we need to keep working. There is a time card at the end of the deck, so students can grab a deck and time themselves to see how quickly they are at solving all of the problems in the deck, and then each day they can see that they will get faster and faster. There's also an answer card at the end of the deck, so if they get stuck, then they can look here to see what the answer is.